and gentlemen, get ready, because what you're about to see is not just a motorhome, it's the future of luxury travel on wheels. Introducing the 2026 Tesla Motorhome, a groundbreaking masterpiece that blends futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and the ultimate in comfort. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving luxury mansion, a dream on wheels, and a glimpse into tomorrow's lifestyle. Welcome to this luxurious motorhome's YouTube channel. Now let's dive into the details of this extraordinary creation. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Tesla Motorhome takes your breath away. The sleek aerodynamic body is finished in a glossy black paint, accented with bold red wave-like graphics that flow across the sides. The shine is so deep and reflective that it looks like liquid metal under the sunlight. Every curve and every line has been sculpted to perfection, giving it a futuristic presence that dominates the road. Whether it's parked in the middle of a desert, cruising down an endless highway, or gliding through city streets, this motorhome looks like a piece of art in motion. Imagine the sun setting behind it as it rolls across the desert sands, the black and red body glowing like fire against the horizon. On highways, the LED lights sparkle like jewels, making it impossible to ignore. This is not just transportation, it's a statement of power, elegance, and innovation. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Let's start with the TV lounge area. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a spacious open-plan lounge that feels more like a five-star penthouse than a motorhome. Plush leather sofas with red stitching invite you to sink in and relax. Ambient LED lighting sets the mood, glowing softly along the ceiling and walls. A massive Ultra HD flat screen dominates the lounge, proudly displaying the Tesla logo in a futuristic glow. Surround sound speakers are built seamlessly into the walls, creating a cinematic experience right inside your motorhome. Imagine watching your favorite movie here while the world outside passes by through panoramic glass walls. It's not just a lounge, it's your private theater on wheels. Now let's move into the bedroom. This is where luxury meets intimacy. The bedroom features a king-size bed with a premium leather headboard, polished wood flooring, and soft ambient lights that create a warm, romantic atmosphere. The Tesla logo is elegantly displayed above the bed, reminding you that you're living inside a masterpiece of design. And here's the romantic thought. Imagine lying here with someone special, the stars visible through the panoramic glass windows, and whispering, "If home is where the heart is, then this motorhome is where our hearts will always travel together." That's the kind of magic this bedroom creates. Next, the kitchen. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a chef's dream. The open-plan design includes marble countertops, chrome and carbon fiber finishes, and a built-in induction cooktop. There's a smart oven, a high-end sink with futuristic fixtures, and even a wine cooler for those special evenings. The centerpiece is a large refrigerator with the Tesla logo glowing proudly on its door. Every detail screams luxury, from the glossy cabinets to the leather-trimmed bar stools. Now let's head upstairs to the second floor. The upper level of the Tesla Motorhome is a world of its own. With panoramic glass walls and a wraparound balcony, it offers breathtaking views wherever you are. Inside, you'll find a luxurious lounge with premium seating, a modern entertainment wall, and even a bar counter with high-end stools. The polished marble flooring and ambient lighting make it feel like a rooftop lounge in a luxury hotel. Whether you're parked by the ocean, in the middle of a forest, or overlooking a desert sunset. Of course, we can't forget the driver's cockpit. This is where Tesla's innovation truly shines. The cockpit is futuristic, with a panoramic windshield that gives you a commanding view of the road. The dashboard is fully digital, with a massive central touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. The steering wheel is sleek and modern, and the leather driver's seat is designed for maximum comfort. Sitting here feels like piloting a spaceship, and when you're driving this motorhome, you don't just feel like you're on the road, you feel like you're leading the future. Now let's step back outside for a moment. Picture this motorhome parked in the desert, its glossy black body reflecting the golden sands. Or imagine it standing tall among palm groves, the red accents glowing against the greenery, or simply parked on a highway rest stop, looking like a futuristic sculpture that has landed from another world. Every angle, every background makes this motorhome look like a masterpiece. And of course, behind this marvel is Tesla, the company known for pushing the boundaries of technology and design. The 2026 Tesla Motorhome is powered by advanced electric motors, delivering breathtaking horsepower and instant torque. It accelerates smoothly, silently, and powerfully, with a top speed that rivals many luxury SUVs. Its range is designed for long journeys, making it perfect for cross-country adventures. And with Tesla's charging network, you're never far from the power you need to keep moving. This motorhome is so impressive that even celebrities are taking notice. In fact, it's said that Donald Trump himself has expressed interest in owning one, calling it the ultimate symbol of luxury and success. When a vehicle attracts the attention of world leaders and celebrities, you know it's something truly extraordinary. And now, as we come to the end of this journey, I want to thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you enjoyed exploring the 2026 Tesla Motorhome with us, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us which motorhome is your favorite, because we'd love to feature it in our next video. This has been a tour of the future of luxury travel, the 2026 Tesla Motorhome. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep traveling in style, and remember the road is yours.